So now we've got our name being added to our chat window on our second computer. We need to build the script that allows us to just keep typing messages in or type the word exit to leave the chat. So we'll just do this across here. I'll give myself some more space. So after we've typed in our name and it's been added to the chat window, you'll see it broadcasts update window 1, which will send that data to our first computer. Then broadcast this message get next line 2, which is the one that we're interested in. So control, when I receive get next line 2. So now I receive get next line 2. What I want to do is first of all ask for some text to be entered. So back into sensing and ask new message and in brackets enter exit to leave the chat. So what we need to do here is check what's been typed in, and if the word exit has been typed in, we want to leave, and if not, we want to update the chat window with the message, then ask for a new line. So to do that, we need an if-else statement. So if, take the equal sign from the operators, so if our answer is equal to exit, then what we want to do is set new line 2 to a concatenation, so go to the join one again, of the person's name, which is name 2, and a message has left the chat. Then want new line 2 to update the chat window 2. So add new line 2 to chat window 2. Then we'll broadcast the message to say update window 1. So broadcast new update window 1. Now this will send the data, send a message that can be heard by our first computer to update whatever is in new line 2 into its window. And once that's been done, we want to then go and ask for the name. So we'll say broadcast get name 2. So we type in exit, the message, whatever's name has left the chat, and then it recalls this script here to ask for someone else's name to join. So if the answer isn't exit, I'm going to just duplicate this block of code. We're going to say set new line 2 to the person's name, but instead of has left the chat, what I want to do is put in the answer and separate that with a colon. So I'm going to put another join statement in. I'm going to put a colon in here, and then in the second one put answer. So the new line 2 will be set to James colon, then whatever they've typed in is the message, or Fred, or whatever the name's been typed in. Add new line 2 to chat window 2, so that appears up here. Broadcast update window 1, so it sends the message across to our first computer. And then we're going to recall get next line 2. And let us just make sure this is working. So James, hello, hi, and exit. That seems to be working fine.